So real quick, I'm gonna do a video. I saw this story on the ancient dire wolves being resurrected. Just real quick, I gotta get my I told you so in on this. So here's a video on the screen. These are some videos I made. One of them is 2 years old, and I got other ones. Let me see. But in those dreams, I talked about the fact that the government and also aliens were resurrecting ancient animals using DNA, biological experiments, DNA, gene splicing. Here in this one is one of them. I think Skinwalker is another one. So yeah, these two dreams. But if you look, one of them is 1 year old and one of them is 2 years old. But I actually had those dreams like maybe 10 years ago, maybe 5-10 years ago. And in the dreams, I talked about the fact that the government and aliens were resurrecting ancient animals, dinosaurs, etc., in underground bases and also on ships, etc. So, yeah, a quick story. Let me see if I can play that story real quick. Stand by.
Werewolves, they played a
pivotal role in HBO's Game of Thrones, but in real life, the animals have been extinct for 13,000 years.
Now scientists are claiming to have brought them back. ABC's Andrew Dimbert has the story.
It's a howl 13,000 years in the making. Dire wolves walking the earth for the first time since the Stone Age, thanks to a remarkable scientific breakthrough.
The dire wolf is the first de-extinct species.
Until recently, the only way to catch a glimpse of the bygone beast was to watch Game of Thrones.
The dire wolf is a sigil of your house. They were meant to have them.
But now, Texas-based Colossal Biosciences has recreated the canines by implanting fossilized genes into the gray wolf.
We've taken a gray wolf genome, a gray wolf cell, which is already genetically 99.5% identical to dire wolves, and we've edited those cells at multiple places in its DNA sequence to contain the dire wolf version of the DNA.
Colossal giving ABC News an exclusive glimpse inside their lab.
That animal looks like a dire wolf, it will behave like a dire wolf, and it is a dire wolf.
But as dire pups Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi grow, so does the controversy surrounding their existence.
So there you have it, the dire wolves. So, and if you go back and look at the video, I specifically said wolves in one of the videos about the precognitive dreams I had. But I saw the wolves with aliens. Like, I saw these aliens called skinwalkers. I think they were the skinwalkers, and they had huge wolves with them that they were using to hunt down humans. And so, and then I also saw the bases, underground bases, where they were developing saber-toothed tigers, you know, Stone Age creatures like the dire wolves, as well as dinosaurs. And I also had dreams where the dinosaurs and these creatures got loose in the population. And when they got loose, you know, straight out of a sci-fi movie, they got loose and they started killing people. Right? The dinosaurs, I had a dream I was in Maryland and in Baltimore, and I saw dinosaurs on the streets, etc. So I think it's going to get real interesting once, now that these dreams are coming to pass. And I think, you know, we're probably going to get to a point where they escape. I don't know if that means we're close, you know, to the alien piece, or, you know, the fact, these people are aliens. I don't want to get into that, but all humans are not human. That's why you're not supposed to interracially marry, because all humans that appear to look human are not human, right? Just like those wolves. So, and it talked about that in the Bible, right? In the days of Noah, so shall it be in the coming of the days of the Son of Man. So, but anyway, I thought that was interesting. Check out the dreams if you want. That's all I got.